India celebrates the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950 because at this day India was declared as a republic country as well as the Constitution of India came into force after independence of long years of struggle. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 and 2 years, 11 months and 18 days later, it became a democratic republic. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history as it tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Republic means the supreme power of people living in the country and only public has right to elect their representative as political leaders to lead the country in right direction. India is a republic country after 26 January 1950, where public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh and others strived hard to get freedom. Their collective efforts have made the India as a democratic country today. In this country of democrats, people are having the freedom to express their views about the country, development and other things. We can never forget their sacrifices towards our country. They did so that their future generations may live without struggle and lead country ahead. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. It has become possible just because of them that we can think from our own mind and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.